Hi, and welcome to Bluethermal's first ever internet video. In this video, we're going to be showcasing what we typically do on an in-home thermal imaging scan. For a scan, we can locate moisture intrusion, whether it's broken pipes or a roof leak from snow and ice. We can locate missing or non-existent insulation, structural defects, electrical and mechanical issues. We are a certified level 1 thermographer, and we use T200 thermal imaging camera from Florida. This is a camera with a resolution of 200 by 150, which means that every picture that we take, it has 30,000 temperature measurements per image. Now, in order for us to be accurate, we also have to use other devices. In order for us to determine if there is moisture intrusion, we have to use a GE Protometer Survey Master, which helps us to verify if what we're seeing is moisture. The other device of choice is an indoor-outdoor weather meter, which helps us to determine relative humidity, wind speed, and air temperature. Hi, one of the things we talked about was missing insulation or non-existing insulation. Now, this is an older home in excess of 100 years, and in these older homes they were insulated many years after they were built, and because of that there could be locations that are missing because usually the insulation is blown from the exterior, and a lot of times the insulator has a hard enough time in order to get everything, all of the cavities that exist in the home. We located one of those such cavities. This is a small one, but nevertheless it's an area that there's missing insulation. Warm air that you've paid a lot of money for to heat this home is leaving the home because of that. As we scan around, we can see the studs that are in the wall. We look for air infiltration at this time as well. We look around the windows and trim. We also see another missing location of insulation up in the upper corner of the room. Now that we've gone through the entire house, we've gone through both floors, we've done all the walls and all the ceilings and the floors, we've gone in the basement and in the attics. Now we need to go outside. But we have to be very careful when we go outside on days like today because it's very sunny. And since we're measuring surface temperatures, the sun artificially heats those surfaces and could change our results. So come with me. Now that we're on the exterior of the home, we're going to look for other things besides the missing insulation, the moisture, structural stuff, electrical and mechanical things. We look for ventilation problems. A lot of older homes have ventilation issues where the warm air during the winter inside the home leaves and goes into the attic and it gets stored and trapped, which melts the snow, creating ice dams, bringing water into the home. Now that we've walked around the majority of the outside of the house, it's Michigan, it's winter time, but the sun's out, which is a very rare occasion. So we have to stay away from the areas where the sun's been beating on the side of the house because it gives us false reads and changes our measurements. So we avoid those areas. Going around on this side, the bay area is set, and we notice warm air trapped inside of the little attic space. Because of that, warm air can't escape and bring in cool air to replace it. Melts the snow and any ice on the roof and can cause water to leak inside of the home. Thank you for joining us at Bluethermal in our first internet video. We hope that you gained valuable insight to what we do on a typical residential thermal imaging inspection.